Hello everyone. So today I am customizing another Bath & Body Works PocketBac. Look at this, it is compatible. It is original. It had a little spider on it. I already took it off, as you can tell right there. This is another one I had previously done, a Jack Skellington. Of course, if you know that I love NPC. But yes guys, so I was like, you know what, let me do another one. I'm gonna go for 𝓭𝓸𝓷𝓽. How about that? So if you want to learn exactly how to do it, stay tuned. I'm going to start off by prepping the PocketBac. So I'm filing down the whole entire thing where I'm going to bedazzle it, so the whole outer parts. I'm going all the way around and making sure that top layer comes off. This is just to make sure that the rhinestones and that the glue attaches better to the PocketBac and it lasts a long time. So once I was done filing down the whole PocketBac, I went on ahead with some alcohol on a clean napkin and I wiped the whole thing down just to make sure it is completely clean and there is no leftover dust on it. So now this is how my PocketBac looks, all clean and ready to bling. But before I start bedazzling, of course I'm going to draw my design. I have my Posca markers, my Sharpies right here to draw the 𝓭𝓸𝓷𝓽. So I'm going to start off by going in with a green Sharpie to do the background of course, 𝓭𝓸𝓷𝓽. I'm doing the edges first because I do have to draw his face in the front, but I know all this area is going to be green, so that's why I'm doing this. It did get on my fingers a little bit, nothing crazy guys. It's just because the marker is fresh, you know? Once I did that, I went on ahead and started drawing the face with the black Sharpie. And guys, I know 𝓭𝓸𝓷𝓽's face is very simple, but I was having issues with this. I just could not draw his face to save my life, guys. Look at this. I went in with some more alcohol just to wipe off that marker because I kept messing up. I don't know, guys. He's looking a little alienish to me. I don't know. I'm not really getting those 𝓭𝓸𝓷𝓽 vibes, but guys, this is what I came up with. I did it a few times. I was like, okay, this is what I'm going for. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. Does he look like 𝓭𝓸𝓷𝓽? But yes, once I was done with that design, I gave up. I was like, okay, I'm filling in the rest with that green Sharpie. But yeah, let me know. What do you guys think? Does it look like 𝓭𝓸𝓷𝓽 for real, guys? Be honest. I don't know. But yeah, I was like, I don't know. It's just giving me so much trouble. Okay, so now that I have my design ready, it's time to bling. So this is how it looks now. And I have some black rhinestones in the size SS10 and SS3 to fill in all those black areas. And I am using Liquid Fusion. I used 𝓯𝓸𝓻𝓰𝓮 for the Jack one that I did previously, but I was like, you know what, let's try Liquid Fusion and let's see how it goes. I'll keep you guys updated. I'm going to be using this as soon as it is ready to use, and I'll let you guys know how well it does, okay? So I applied just a bit of that Liquid Fusion into one eye. I am working by sections. I spread it out with the toothpick, and then I started applying the rhinestones, doing the edges first, and then filling in the inside. And then I did the same thing to the other eye. For the mouth, I did the same thing. I applied some of the Liquid Fusion, and then I spread it out very carefully with the toothpick, getting into those little edges of the stitching of his mouth. And then I went in and filled it in with the rhinestones, doing the edges first, filling in those tiny stitching areas with that SS3 as well. And then I filled in the middle. Remember also to stay in the area you are bedazzling. Try not to go over the lines, the edges, because you don't want to lose the design, you know? So I'm being very careful right here to not cross those corners of that mouth, to stay in the black areas only. This is a super easy and quick craft, guys. You can do whatever design you want. I'm just doing 𝓭𝓸𝓷𝓽, even though he kind of looks like an alien, but it's 𝓭𝓸𝓷𝓽, guys. I just love NPC, that's why. But yeah, guys, have fun with it, and then you can just reuse it with all your PocketBacs, you know? So this is how 𝓭𝓸𝓷𝓽 is looking so far. Now I'm going to bedazzle the green areas. I am starting off at the bottom with an SS12 because it does have a small thin line right there where my main size, the SS16, would not have fit. So that's why I'm just doing this straight line all across, working by sections, applying that 𝓯𝓸𝓻𝓰𝓮, and then applying the rhinestones. Remember to always double check your work and make sure your rhinestones are exactly where you want them to be. And now I'm going to bling the rest of the green area, going by rows and working by sections. And I am using size SS16 for this area. I continued doing the rows like this. I did stop right at the edge, right where it curves on top, and then I did the rows to the front, right where his face starts. And I did both sides. This is how it looks so far. Now I'm going to work on the top, continuing my rows. It is a bit curved right here, but I can still continue the rows with that SS16. For the middle area, I did use smaller rhinestones to fill it in. I do have sizes SS 6, 10, and 12 in case I do come across more fill-ins as well. Now for the front side, all I did was go row per row, working my way from the top to the bottom, using the SS16. I did come across more areas where the 16 would not fit, and like I said, I do have those fill-in sizes to fill those areas in. Remember, I always tell you guys, double check your work. Make sure your rhinestones are not overlapping each other, that they fit perfectly. If they don't fit, don't be afraid to use fill-in sizes. And look at my Oogie Boogie / little alien. It's coming together, guys. What do you guys think? Let me know. I wish I could have done his face a little bit better, but it's okay. I still get the Oogie Boogie vibes, you know what I mean? To finish off, I'm gonna double check my work and let it completely dry. And these are my results, guys. Look at this. Super cute, guys. Everything is completely dry and ready to use. Like I said, this is a PocketBac from Bath and Body Works. This is the little PocketBac hand sanitizer, and this is the actual PocketBac holder. So it is compatible, of course, guys. Look at this. Super cute. I need to do a Sally one next, guys. Let me know what you think. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. I hope you learned a little something. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you haven't. If you already subscribed, thank you so much. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.